Good morning. Welcome to the summer. This book today is Don't Push the Button, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. Oh, I want to push it. Oh, nope. I won't push it. I won't push it. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Okay, little push. Ah, now I'm yellow. Push it again. Okay, let's push the button. Can you help me push the button? Push. Will he change? Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Okay, twice. That means 2 times. 1, 2. We pushed it twice. Okay. Ah! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Okay, you push it a bunch of times. Right. Push, 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 push. Push. Uh-oh. How many are there? Look, there's so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's way more back here. Uh-oh. Should we push it again? The button? Just one time. We'll do one time. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Okay, so we'll shake it. So shake, 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 shake. Okay, let's see. Did it get rid of them? Almost. Okay, a little more. Let's shake it again. Ready? You shake. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. So, can we scratch his tummy? Ready? Okay, let's scratch. Hee hee hee, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Can you help me push the button? Boop, boop. The end.